Today I'll be heading to Ngong. Ngong is where I grew up. Is a home. So I grew up in a children's home in Ngong, so I'm heading there. This is Ngong Road. This is Ngong Road around. It used to be called Nakuma Junction, but nowadays it's called Junction. So this is the way to Lanana. Heading to Ngong. This is Lanana Road. So almost that is the cemetery. Almost is the same Nairobi cemetery. So Ngong Road is none of the Ngong is 111, number 111. So as you can see, this is the road, and the driver here, they try so much to be on the road, to be very fast on the road. Every person is trying to be on themselves, you see. And look at the furniture on the road. It's so much beautiful. As we are heading to Ngong, I need you to know that being in Ngong, it is one of biggest memory in my life. This place changed my life. This place gave me a hope and gave me a home. So yeah, now this is Ngong. I came every year. I try as much, because nowadays I live in different town, in Gilgil, Nakuru County, Nakuru City. So I always come to this place to pray. This is Ngong Hills. Being in Ngong Hills is so much fun. The energy here always gives me a place just to be happy, just to be me, you see. So no matter how much I try, no matter how life becomes so hard, I always try all my best just to come to Ngong, because Ngong is one of the best places to be. This place, I always come to pray. I have an altar here to pray. So I always travel in every year, even after our mother died in a children's home, Tunza Children's Home, because this place has my memories. I grew up here. This place, I used to go get some mushroom from these fields around here. You can see that to the top of the hill, there is where I get the mushrooms from. So let me put my camera. Okay. So I try so much. I put my GoPro on that stick because you have to use what you have. So I try to use. I don't have the stick to be shooting, so I use the GoPro stick. I wrap my GoPro on a stick, and I use it because that is so much beautiful. It was a good view. As you can see, that is a good view. So this is another place, the same. It is a rock place. So much, as you can see, there's a hilly. You can see down there. You can see down there. Down there is where the Chinese are building the SGR standard gauge railway. They will be passed. It has already passed between the hills, down the hill in Ngong. So much of this place. I can remember when we were young, we go down there to just to get firewood. We try even to hunt. I think there is a lot of rabbits in this place, antelopes. So much we came, and we always try just to get it. Being a children's home, that days. Okay, our children's home was a freestyle children's home, and it was good place. Kids here, we were so much. We were so much together. Ngong is really good. Ngong Hills, it has changed. People have bought in this place houses. Look at that view. Look at that view down there. Look at that view. So, as I was saying, Mama Tunza was the greatest person in our lives. She tried so much. She was the co-founder of the children's home. of the kids, around 3,000, like these ads. And she managed just to keep us safe. She tried all the best just to give us a life. You know, this place, so much people thought children's home had everything, when living in the children's home has everything. No. Sometimes you lack firewood, sometimes the volunteers don't come, the visitors, the well-wishers, sometimes they don't come and visit you, and you have to survive. So we came one day, we came at this place, this bush. We get firewood, we get some vegetable. Yeah, there's wild vegetable in this place. So now it is getting dry in this place. So when it rains, there is a lot of things to do here. You know, so this fruit we eat. There is some fruits on these flowers. There. You see those fruits? We eat those fruits. We always came here to eat them when we cut down them. And I know many people don't really understand why we put our lives in this place. It is not our wish to live in a children's home. It wasn't our wish. Life situation can put you in a place that you don't want to be. But what can make you stand is you. What can make you become a person is you. You have to be positive about life. I know now we haven't made it yet, and we are trying our best so that this day we can do something about it. Every step we make in lives, and every moment that we capture in this life, we have to try all our best to be the best of ourselves. And ngong was one of the foundation that put me on a map. This place built me. This place gave me hope, and without further ado, ngong was the best place. I'm trying to hold my camera video. So I'm getting up from that hill, getting down. And this place, when it is dry, there is a lot of snakes, so I must be careful as I walk. And the snakes here, they are not friendly, and no day that the snake will ever be friendly. So I'll try as much as possible when I'll be recording. Yes, I did this recording outside the GoPro. GoPro Hero doesn't have a good microphone. It doesn't bring the good voice. Okay. So this is going Suso Mansuso, that is the road to Mansuso. All the video is from GoPro. Yeah, gone. So the other back of this hill, there is a hills. Those are the hills. Down there we have hills, and I couldn't manage to go up there because you have to pay the dues. So still understanding the environment. Things haven't changed in this place. We are still trying all our best. Yeah. I love my smile. So this, I'm going up again. I'm going up. Okay. So this is another place, so I'll pass the river. Down there, I'll just pass the river and then go north. As I was saying, before Mama Tunza died, we had a life. We had a home. Yes, I had a place they could call home. And Tunza was a home. When she passed away, automatically we became homeless. Even the place looks like it is dead already. Yeah. Okay, guys, you know this. I'm stepping on the hardest weed. Imagine that was a tree. I was up of it. It cannot break. Okay, let's go. So when Matunza was alive, we felt like having a mother alive. It wasn't my wish to go to Tunza. I was on the street and life wasn't that easy. So sometimes when I come to this hill, I just come to remind myself, yeah, Carlos, you have an opportunity, you have a life, you have to do something about it, you have to make it, and everything is going to work out. It will. It doesn't matter when. It doesn't matter. Yeah, this is the top of the hill. Top of the top of the top. Up the top. On the top there. So I decided just to be this person. Yeah. Now down there is a lot of rabbits. So Mama Tunza was one of the greatest people that will never get again in this life. She just tried her best, she just tried to give us a good life, even when we didn't deserve it. Yeah, she was the best. Chris, love you.